Hello everyone, welcome. So today I get a very interesting question from my student. A is 40 km west of B at 10 a.m. A is moving westward at a speed of 12 km per hour and B is moving towards the south at a speed of 16 km per hour. When will the distance between them be minimum and when what will be the minimum distance? That is not added here, but what will be the minimum distance? My student give me this question, so I will try to solve this today here. যেটা আমাদের এখানে বলেছে সেটা আমরা এখানে সলভ করার চেষ্টা করব। Okay, so let us start. So actually there are two ways to solve this question. One is with the help of vector, that will be very easy and more it will not take so much time, but there is another way to solve it. Okay, I'll be trying to do the both thing. First যেটা বড় মেথড সেটাকে ইউজ করার চেষ্টা করছি। ওকে, সো এটা হচ্ছে একটু বড় মেথড উইদাউট ভেক্টর মেথড। ওকে, so we have a point B here. ওকে, আমরা বিটাকে ধরে নিচ্ছি 0 0 পয়েন্ট, 0 0 পয়েন্ট ধরলাম। এটাকে ধরে নিচ্ছি আমরা 40,0 পয়েন্ট, যেহেতু আমাদের এই ডিস্টেন্সটা হচ্ছে 40 কিলোমিটার। ওকে, এখন আমরা এখানে আর একটা পয়েন্ট ধরে নিচ্ছি পি, যেটাতে এ পৌঁছায় আফটার টাইম টি। Position of A, because A is moving westward at a speed of 12 km per hour. A is moving westward and B is moving southward at a speed of 16 kilometer per hour. Okay, now this is the thing. So along the axis A will move in this direction. A will move in this direction. Let us say after time t it reach a point t, after t hours it reach point P. So t সময় পরে A কতটা distance cover করবে? As the speed of A is 12, the distance will be 12t. Similarly, at that time B will not be in the 0 0 point, because we also moving with the speed of 16 km per hour. So after time t it will move up to a distance 16t along the y-axis. Okay, let us say this point is Q. Okay, and this distance is 16t. Now if I join these 2 points and let us say this distance is s. Okay, and it is a function of t. এই ডিস্টেন্সটা হচ্ছে টি সময় পর এ আর বি এর মধ্যে যে ডিস্টেন্সটা হবে সেটা হচ্ছে এস। সো লেট আস কনসিডার, we know the question, we have speed of b 0, 0 and a 40, 0, কখন এটা 10 am. Okay, now after time t position of A and B will be কি হবে? এর কত হবে? এর হচ্ছে 12টি কমে গেছে, so what will be this distance? This distance will be 40 minus 12t. So the position of A will be 40 minus 12t, 0, because there is no motion along the y-axis for A. Okay, and B এর কোঅর্ডিনেট কত হবে? B is moving along the y axis, there is no movement along the x axis, so that's why the x coordinate will be 0 for B, but after time t it will move up to 16t. Okay, now if I take triangle P PBQ, if I take triangle PBQ, so what we get from that triangle at that moment of time PBQ, it's a right angle triangle totally. So as it is right angle triangle ST, it means PQ. Okay, PQ equal to root over BQ square plus BP square. Okay, now what is the value of BP? BQ according to this diagram, BQ is 16t square. Okay, and BP means 40 minus 12t, 40 minus 12t square. Okay, now if I just do this calculation, so what will happen? It will be 16 square means 256 t square plus 40 square means 1600 minus 2 into 40 into 12t plus 12 square means 144 t square. Okay, now what will happen? 256 t square, 256 and 144, if I add it up, 256 144 0 0 4, so 400 t square minus 240 80 and 80 into 12 960, so it will be 960 t plus 1600. Okay, now this one is ST, or let us say this is S. Okay, so A square equal to 400 t square minus 960 t plus 1600. Okay, let us say this is the equation number 1. These are the rough, let us just remove it from here. I will be erasing this thing. Okay, we don't need it here. So we get a place to do the next part of the okay. Now if I differentiate S with respect to time t, differentiate S with S respect to time t, what we get? dt of S square equal to 800 t minus 960. As it is a constant, it will like this. Okay, from here what we get? 2s ds dt equal to 800 t minus 960. Okay, or what we get? ds dt equal to 400 t minus 480 divided by 2 করলে এটাই পাওয়া যায়. So let us say this one is equation number 2. For a minima, for a minima ds dt equal to 0. So from here what we get? we get that 400t minus 480 equal to 0. Okay, or t equal to 480 by 400. Okay, if I use 8, 6 by 5 equal to 1.2, as t is taken a t hours. Okay, as t is taken as a hour, so 1 hour means the beginning of the time is 10 am, so 10 plus 1 hour means it 11. But what is the value of 0.2 hours means 0.2, if I multiply it with 60, that will become minute, and it will become 12 0 point minute, so 12 minute. So the time will be, time is 11:12. Okay, because 1 hour is here, this is hour. Okay, this is the 11:12 am. So that means after 11:12 am the particle will be at কোথায় থাকবে, the particle will be at minimum distance. Okay, now if I put the value of t, that means 1.2, in this equation, what we get that, let us say t square means a square from 1, we get what we get, a square equal to 400 into 1.2 square means 144.4 minus 960 into 1.2 plus 1600. ওকে, সো 4 দিয়ে গুণ করলে 4 4 16 6, 4 4 16 আর একে 17 7, 4 একে 4 আর একে 5, আর দুটো শূন্য বসিয়ে দাও, বাট পয়েন্টের জন্য এখানে পয়েন্টটা চলে গেল একটা, মাইনাস 6 বারম 72 এর 2, 9 বারম 108, 108 আর সাথে 115, আর একটা করে 10 শূন্যর জন্য শূন্য এলে এটা দশমিক হয়ে গেল, প্লাস 1600. Okay, so if I do the calculation, so what will be the value, 5760 minus 1152, so what will be the value, it will be 8. Hey, I think I've done the wrong, no, it's 8, and it will be 0, and this one will be 6, and this one will be 4. So I have to add 1600 with it, 805208. Somehow I think we are not getting the result. Oh, I have done the wrong thing. The wrong thing is we have done the wrong thing. The wrong thing is this will be not be the value, this will not be the value. Okay, if I take the square, it will be 1.44. if it is 1.44, 6 7 5 0 0, it will be 0.567. Okay, so if it is like that, so what will be the ক্যালকুলেশনটাকে একটু চেঞ্জ করতে হবে, just take that thing, 1600 minus it is 11528, 6 means 4, 2 means 4, okay, 448 plus 576 আর হচ্ছে 14, 7 আর 5 12, 2 5 4 1024. So the answer will be 1024. So if I do it like this, 576 plus 448 is equal to 1024. So the value of a square is 1024. So s is equal to root over 1024 equal to 32 kilometer. So the minimum distance is 32 kilometer and the time taken will be this. Time will be 11 12 and the distance will be 32 kilometer. This is the way to solve this problem, but there is another way, the more easier way. So we'll be doing that, the more easier way. So first we have to draw the thing. Let us say there is a B, there is A. Okay, now if I take if the observer is A, according to A, what will be the, how A will look, the motion of B? Will it look it is going southward? No, A will not look like that. Just like আমাদের যখন there is a, let us say there is a rain, whenever we cycle, whenever we are in motion in a bike or cycle, rain may be falling like this, but whenever we are in motion we see that rain is coming like towards us like this. Okay, that's why we just lower the umbrella in front of us, right? So though this is the original path of the original velocity of the rain, but যখনই আমরা মোশনে থাকি তখনই রেনটা হয়ে যায় হচ্ছে আমাদের এইরকম। এখন এটা কেন হয়? এটা মেনলি হয় হচ্ছে আমাদের রিলেটিভ ভেলোসিটির জন্য। যখনই কোনো একজন অবজারভার কোনো এক observer in motion observe another body's motion, they never considered they never observe their own motion. ওকে, তাহলে অবজারভার যে থাকে তার মোশনটাও অন্যের সঙ্গে অ্যাড হয়ে যায়। সো অ্যাড হয়ে যাওয়ার ফলে তা এই দুটো মোশনটা অ্যাডটা কেমন ভাবে হবে? এ যদি এই দিকে যায়, এর মোশনটা বিতে অ্যাড হবে as an opposing vector. So if A is moving eastward, you will see that B is moving A is moving westward, B will see that A will see that B is moving eastward. Okay, এর অরিজিনাল ভেলোসিটি কি ছিল? আমাদের ওয়েস্টের দিকে যাচ্ছিল, কিন্তু এর রেসপেক্টে এ নিজেকে স্থির ভাববে, তাই ওর যে ওয়েস্টওয়ার্ড ভেলোসিটি ছিল সেটাকে দেখবে হচ্ছে বি ওর দিকে যাচ্ছে। দ্যাট মিনস ভেলোসিটি অফ বি উইল বি towards east. Okay, so if I take a resultant vector of these two things, what will happen? It will go like this. Okay, up to this point. Okay, up to this point. Okay, now let us say this point is C. According to A, according to A, B is moving along BC. Okay, এ কি দেখবে? এ দেখবে হচ্ছে বি হচ্ছে বিসি বরাবর মুভ করছে। নাও এ পয়েন্টটা ফিক্সড, এই পয়েন্টের রেসপেক্টে আমরা যদি একটা পারপেন্ডিকুলার ড্র করি বিসি এর উপর, এই যে পয়েন্টটা, এই পি পয়েন্টটা কোনো না কোনো সময়ে বি উইল ক্রস দিস পি পয়েন্ট, অ্যান্ড উই নো দ্যাট ফ্রম এ পয়েন্ট the minimum distance will always be the perpendicular distance. So AP will be the minimum distance between A and B. So AP is the minimum distance between A and B. Okay, and what is AP? AP is perpendicular to BC. Okay, this one. Now if I see this one, this is theta. Let us draw it again, this one. Okay, okay, this one is theta, this is 12, this is 16, so this will be a 16, so tan theta equal to 16 by 12, it will be 4 by 3. Okay, if tan theta is 4 by 3, what will be the value of this one? This one is resultant resultant velocity. Resultant velocity v is equal to root over 12 square plus 16 square plus 2 into 12 into 16 into cos 90 degree. Okay, cos 90 degree is 0, so that's why it is 12 square plus 16 square. It will be 144 plus 256 root over 400, it will become 20. So what is the value of sin theta? So from here what we get the value of sin theta. What we get the value of sin theta. Sin theta equal to, it is perpendicular is 16 and the hypotenuse is 20. Okay, from here what we get 4 by 5. Similarly, cos theta equal to 12 by 20, it will be 3 by 5. Okay, so this is the derivation that we get. Okay, now come back to the main point, that is we have to find out AP. এখন আমরা যদি বলি according to this context, what is the distance between A and B at the beginning? That is 40. Okay, at the beginning ওদের মধ্যে distance ছিল হচ্ছে 40 কিলোমিটার. Okay, now this is theta, so what will be this value? This value will be AP will be, so AP will be 40 or 40, AP will be 40 sin theta equal to 40 into 4 by 5, 8 into 4 equal to 32 kilometer. Similarly, what is the value of BP? BP is equal to 40 cos theta, not 40 cos theta, 40 cos theta. 40 into 3 by 5, it will be 8 into 3, 24 কিলোমিটার. এখন বি এর রেসপেক্টে তো বি এই বরাবর যাচ্ছে, সেটা কত 24 কিলোমিটার গেছে. কত স্পিডে যাচ্ছে? 20 কিলোমিটার স্পিডে যাচ্ছে. অ্যাভারেজ স্পিড ভি ইকুয়াল টু রেজাল্টেন্ট স্পিড ভি ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 20 কিলোমিটার পার আওয়ার অ্যালং BC. Okay, so if I take that, time will be 24 by 20, it will be 6 by 5 equal to 1.2 hours. Okay, 1.2 hours means we have already know that 0.2 hour means 0.2 into 60 equal to 12 minute. So 1.2 hour means 1 hour 12 minute. So the time will be 11:12 AM. Time will be 11:12 AM and the minimum distance will be 32 kilometer. That's it.